Hello everyone, welcome to Preschool Art. My name is Miss Lindsay and today we are going to do some splatter painting. So this technique is inspired by the artist Jackson Pollock, who was famous for his abstract paintings where he would take some paint and he would pour it onto his canvas and he would make big splatter marks on his canvas. So we're going to do something similar to that. So I'm going to use some watercolors for my painting. You can also use tempera paint. We just want our paint to be a nice thin consistency so that we can drip it onto our paper. So, go ahead and do that now. I'm going to take my paintbrush, dip it in my color, and I'm going to make sure that it's nice and wet, and then start splattering it onto the paper. Oops. Okay, you can also try this technique. Get your paint and you just tap your brush onto your paper. And then we have one more technique. Get your paint and rub your finger over the brush. This one is very messy, but that's what makes it so fun. Splatter painting is very messy, so make sure you have something underneath your paper so you don't get your surface dirty, or it's a surface that you can wipe off easily. And probably wear some clothes that you don't mind getting paint on too, just in case. But yeah, this is super fun. Go ahead and just get all the paint on there, splatter, make a mess. Thank you for watching today. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy, and we hope to see you at the library soon. Bye.